Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'd just like to make sure that you test your site using Postman. Now that we've got our domain name registered against our IP address, make sure that you can use Postman to go to your domain name, which as you can see in my case is restapicoursetrial.com, and verify that it works. So what I've done is I've registered a new user and then I'm going to authenticate. And as you can see, things come back and you can create stores and so on. So make sure that your API is working before we move on to the HTTPS configuration. Remember, if your API was working before with just an IP address, all we have done now is essentially given the IP address an alias. Whenever you go to your domain, really, you're going to your IP address. So if it worked before and it doesn't work now, the problem is in what we have done in terms of setting the domain up. So probably the DNS records. So just recheck them or ask a question in the course Q&A if anything goes wrong, and I'm there to help, of course. Now, once you've verified everything works, we're ready to move on to setting our SSL certificate and serving our HTTPS traffic. So I'll see you in the next video.